Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by physically connecting the mic. Plug the mic or audio interface into your iPad with the proper USB-C or Lightning adapter and power any bus-powered device. Once done, open Garageband and accept the microphone permission prompt. This authorizes audio access. Make sure to check settings Garageband audio/MIDI so the correct input appears. Doing this prevents silent recordings. If you see multiple devices, choose the one that matches your interface. You now set up the recording path. Tap plus and add an audio recorder or amp track, then pick mono or stereo based on your mic. Once selected, open the track controls and set the input to the connected device. Garageband shows input meters so you can adjust hardware gain. Aim for peaks around -6 dB to keep headroom. Enable monitoring if you need to hear yourself. Once sounds good, choose a preset or keep the signal clean for external processing later. You finish by recording and polishing. Press record and use punch-in or loop regions to capture multiple takes, then use comping to assemble the best parts. Once satisfied, mix levels, add FX, and export via share song to save to files or cloud storage. If you encounter problems, for example no input signal, make sure the adapter is fully seated, the iPad granted mic permission, and the interface sample rate matches Garageband. If needed, restart Garageband or the iPad to reset the audio device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.